This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss module 16 of Java programming language, and the topic we're going to learn today is called operators in Java. Likewise in C language and all other languages there are some important operators, but in Java there are operators that are slightly different from all other languages. So let's start. Discuss the operator said in Java is extremely rich. Broadly, the operators available in Java are divided in the following categories. Number 1, relational operators. Number 2, arithmetic operators. Logical operators. Bitwise operators. So this is a different one. Bitwise operator, which is not discussed in other languages like C and basic. Miscellaneous operators, they are also not discussed in C or basic language or any other language. And the last one is assignment operator. This is also a common operator used in C and in basic language and other language as well. So first we will discuss the arithmetic operator. Operations. In Java are used in essentially the same manner as in algebra. They are used with variables for performing arithmetic operations. Here is a list of arithmetic operators available in Java. So we'll discuss a table. So viewers, here you can see the table of arithmetic operators, Java language. So you can see the column as operation, operator, and description. The first operation is the addition, and the operator which is used is a plus symbol, and the description is that it adds the values of two variables. Second operation is subtraction. The operator used as minus symbol, and it actually subtracts the values of two or more than two variables. Third one is multiplication, and the operator is asterisk and multiplies the values of two variables. Next one is division, and the operator is used as a forward slash. It actually divides the values of two variables. Next one is modulus, and you can use the same like you've used in C language, which is a percentage symbol. The resultant value is the remainder of division. Next is increment, For this you can use plus plus symbol, increases the value by 1. Next one is decrement, and you can use minus minus symbol for that, and it actually decreases the value by 1. So we have discussed the arithmetic operators. Now the next one is the relational operators. Now we'll discuss the relational operators. Java also supports several relational operators. The list of relational operators that are supported by Java are given you below. First we will discuss the operation, like what we have discussed the arithmetic operators. So the first operation is equal to, and the operator used as equal to symbol, and it compares the values of two variables for equality. Next one is not equal to, and the symbol is same use as sign of exclamation and equal to symbol like we have used in C language, and it actually compares the values of two variables for inequality. Next one is the greater than, and for this we'll use this greater than symbol, and it checks if one value is greater than the other value. Next one is lesser than. For this we can use less than symbol, and it checks if the value is lesser than the other value. Next one is the greater than or equal to. So we can use greater than and equal to, like very simple. Checks if one value is greater than or equal to the other value. Last one is the lesser than or equal to. It checks if the value is lesser than or equal to the other value. So you can see there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relational operators in Java language. Now we'll discuss the bitwise language in Java. Now we will discuss the bitwise operators in Java language. The bitwise operators available in Java can be easily applied to a number of data types. These data types include byte, short, long, integer, and character. Typically, any bitwise operator performs the concerned operation bitwise. For example, if you consider the example of an integer x which has the value 60, therefore The binary equivalent of x is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Consider another variable y with the value 13 or 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. If we perform the bitwise operation and on these two numbers, then you will get the following result: x and y equal to 0 0 0 0 space 1 1 0 0. The table shown below shows a list of bitwise operators that are available in Java. So viewers, here we are at the bitwise operators. Now the first operation is the binary AND is represented by an ampersand symbol like this. In the description it is that it performs the AND operation. Likewise, the second one is called binary OR. You use a pipe symbol and it performs the OR operation. The third one is binary XOR, and the symbol used for it is caret symbol. It actually performs the XOR operation. Next one is ones complement. And the symbol used is as tilde symbol. It performs the complementation operation on a unary variable. Next one is binary left shift, and this can be used as it performs the left shifting of bits. Next one is binary right shift, and it is represented as double greater symbol, and it performs the right shifting of bits. In addition to the above mentioned Java also supports right shift 0 fill operator, which fills the shifted bits on the right with 0. Now we will discuss the logical operators. They are very important operators of Java programming language. So that's all for today, viewers. In our next video we will discuss more operators like logical operators and assignment operators, conditional operators in Java programming language. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.